Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ShortPixel for image SEO optimization step by step clearly. Begin by opening your WordPress dashboard. In the left side menu, locate and click on Plugins. Select Add New to access the plugin search page. In the search bar, type in ShortPixel. After a moment, you will see the ShortPixel Image Optimizer plugin appear. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the ShortPixel plugin on your site. After activation, you will see the ShortPixel menu in your dashboard. Navigate to ShortPixel in the left side menu. Click on Settings to configure the plugin. You will need to obtain an API key from ShortPixel's website. Open a new tab and go to shortpixel.com. Click on Get Your API Key in the top right corner. Fill in the necessary details to create an account. After signing up, you will receive an email containing your API key. Copy the provided API key. Return to your WordPress dashboard and paste the API key into the corresponding field. Choose your preferred settings for image optimization. You can select options like lossy or lossless compression. Scroll down and click on Save Changes to apply your settings. Next, navigate to the Bulk ShortPixel section. Here, you can optimize all existing images on your site. Select the images you wish to optimize. Click on the ShortPixel button to start the optimization process. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once done, you will see a summary of the optimized images. Congratulations, ShortPixel is now installed and configured for your image SEO optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.